one more way to finish a seed bead piece. You can taper your peyote stitch to a point, and then all you have to do is sew on one loop. So I want to come out that loop there. There we go. Now I'm coming out this top loop. And I can sew a clasp right onto it. So through my loop, through my bead, and make 4 or 5 passes of that to make sure your clasp is on securely. So it's not difficult. It just takes you getting it out of the drawer and putting it on here. There we go. And again, once I've got this securely sewn on, I will take the thread and weave it back into my piece to secure it. I'm backtracking over my own thread to create a figure 8 sort of shape that works just the same as if you had created a knot, but gives you that professional edge to your piece by not ever tying a knot. And that's traditional seed beading, no knots. Trim that edge off. Do the same thing on the other end with the other end of the clasp. And that's another way to finish a seed bead bracelet.